I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss.
Good evening. I pray y'all are having a great day. If not, stop what you're doing. Talk to someone you can trust and know that things will get better. Today, the main focus isn't products that I use only in the shower, but products that I use outside of the shower to maintain good hygiene care. It was about that time to wash my hair, so I'm just making sure that all of the old product is removed from my hair before I start the cleansing process. I'm using the Olaplex shampoo, which helps to promote growth and stops breakage. I'm not a big fan of shampoo, actually. I usually just use conditioner unless I feel like I've been putting a lot of different gel products in my hair, which I have been doing a lot lately. So I decided to use the shampoo today.
But you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend.
After I use the conditioner, which is the main product that I love because it makes my hair feel really soft and easy to detangle after. I just make sure that I massage my scalp really good and go through each section of my hair with the conditioner with my hands. Y'all, I actually purchased the detangling brush. Never used it. I think it's because I'm just in the habit of always using my hands. But I do want to start different things, so I will be adding that to my hair routine really soon.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Time spent with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I would never disappoint myself.
I always leave the conditioner in my hair while I'm actually taking a shower and then rinse it out right before I get out of the shower. That's just about the time it takes for the conditioner to do its work. And while it's doing its work, then I'll just use my different body washes in the shower. And also, I only had a little bit of hair that shedded this day, so I was super excited about that. We definitely want to see that. Less hair shedding and more hair growing. So, yeah. This is the vaginal wash that I've been using, which is the L foam wash, which is free of fragrance and sulfates. Now my favorite part of the shower is the combo of the Dr. Bronner's and Method body wash. If you watched my recent shower routine, do you know how much I love this combo so much? I just love how it smells, and it really gives me that moisture that I want.
You and your friends talking, but when our eyes connect, I knew then it was just like 2 ways on beam. I'm your king, be my queen, and whatever you wanna do.
Now that I'm finished with my shower, it's time for mouth care. I know some people like to floss after they brush their teeth, but I like to floss first before I brush my teeth because I don't like the idea of brushing my teeth and food could still be stuck somewhere. So yeah, that's my little routine, flossing before I actually brush my teeth.
I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, lady. It's alright with me, yeah. It's alright, yes. So baby, take a ride with me, and I fulfill all your fantasies. And when the rain
this is the toothpaste that I live by and have been using for a very long time. And as you can see, it's basically gone, girl. Just an FYI, if you don't already know this, or if you don't already do this, don't rinse your toothpaste off. So that way you can achieve whiter teeth and help prevent bad breath, and just let the toothpaste do its job.
I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. It's alright. Can you feel me? Yeah. It's alright, yeah. I can read your mind. Just read you right now. I know what you're thinking. I got an idea, baby. It's alright. Oh, yeah. It's alright, yeah. I know you wanna touch.
Now, this is something that I've added recently, and I'll always add it to the game now. This is the Gum Detoxify by Oral-B, which is a rinse to kill plaque bacteria around the gum line, reduce inflammation and bleeding, and also reverse early signs of gum disease. It is made without alcohol and artificial dyes, so we love that. Just a warning, it will leave your mouth super dry. That's the only downfall about it. But after I go in with my actual mouthwash, which is the 3D Crest wash that is alcohol free and has the flavor winter mint. A lot of people always ask me, what do I use to get my teeth so white? Someone just recently asked me that the other day, so I thought this was the perfect time to show all of these products. I do feel like these are all factors to it, as well as the factor that I did have braces when I was younger. Also, I used to use Crest whitening strips 1 to 2 times per year. So basically, when I feel like my teeth can do a little better, which I only used it 1 time last year. After I use my mouthwash, I go in with this tongue brush, since we want the mouth to feel fresh and clean and also smell fresh and clean when we're talking to people, right? Right.
Oh, yeah. I wanna feel you, girl. I want you to stay with me, 'cause it's alright with me. Listen, baby, come on, I want you to stay with me tonight, yeah. 'Cause I got some things I want to show you, yeah. So now, come on.
Something new that I've been doing every single day, which I should have been doing, is cleaning my lashes. I know, right? I should be ashamed, but I'm not. I know that it should be common sense, I guess, to clean my lashes every day, but my new lash tech started informing me of the benefits, and also she started fussing at me, girl. But I love her. I definitely see a huge difference in cleaning my lashes every day. I usually do it every morning to have great retention, and now I don't always wake up to my lash looking all nice and cuddled on my pillow. So that's definitely a plus for me.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna buy me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you. I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my nights are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running, keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home.
After I'm done cleaning my lashes, I always clean my brush with hot water to remove any dirt from my lashes before my next use. And now it is brand new. Now it's time to clean my piercings. So I always use this wound cleanser, which is basically normal saline, girl, from Walmart. And I just take a Q-tip and make sure that I'm cleaning all around my piercings to prevent any infections.
I can't take no more. I keep no more. Back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running.
Next, I'm using Neosporin and Dial soap to clean my new tattoo. I always use Dial soap for my other tattoos, and I used to use A&D ointment for my previous tattoos until I realized Neosporin works just as fine. I know some people don't prefer Neosporin, but I don't have any problems with using this. Also, my new tattoo says "Hear No Evil," cause yeah, any negative vibes or negative thoughts, you are a ghost to me, and that's just non-negotiable. For my lips, I'm using the Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm by Fresh. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my god, it literally smells just like caramel, of course, and makes my lips feel so soft throughout the night. I used to always use this on my lips every night, actually, until I moved and honestly forgot I even had this. So for my deodorant, I've been using the Mega Babe Rosy Pits, which is natural and aluminum free. Since transitioning to this, I don't use deodorant at night to give my underarms a break, and I never wake up smelling musty in the morning, so that's a plus. So for the new year, I said I will try to go all wax and no shaving at all on any hairs of my body. So I'm using the wax strip since I refuse to use the Nair cream anymore. You just want to smooth it out. The box says to smooth it out 3 to 4 times, but I did have to smooth it out more times than that in order for the wax to work. So you want to apply the strip with pressure and remove it in the opposite direction of the hair follicles. I didn't do that, but it still removed the hairs on my legs. I don't grow much hair on my legs, as you can see, but I just like everything to be nice and well groomed. This is the farthest I'm going right now with waxing, since I don't have the courage to do a Brazilian on myself or even wax my underarms. But so far I like this, so I'll try to keep it up.
You say you really wanna see me. You're only 2 miles away. All I see is face I'm bringing. Guess you don't got time today.
I do like the fact that it comes with a post-wax oil wipe to remove any leftover wax that I didn't get, so that was good to have for me as well. And it left my legs feeling nice and soft and shiny, just like I like it.
Didn't even get that far. We didn't even get that far, but we don't have to talk about it. No, we don't have to talk about it. I can see your face, like the sun and the rain on a cloudy day.
Now to the booty wipes. I use this brand which is called Wipe That Tush Girl. It is fragrance free, which is what we need, and pre-moisturized with aloe and vitamin E, which is what we want, right? Right. Another good brand that I love is called Dude Wipes, which is also fragrance free and made with vitamin E and aloe. If the wipe doesn't have fragrance, then it's good with me and my tush, and that's just that. Now, since T Bertha is down visiting me right now, if you know, you know. A disclaimer, I am not a tampon girl at all, but I do love this brand, the L brand, and all that it creates. The only time I ever wear a tampon is, of course, during water activity, or if I absolutely cannot wear a pad with the outfit I'm wearing. These are 100% cotton, and when I do have heavy cycles, these have me covered. For panty liners, I use the Lola 100% cotton liners as well. Now for the boric acid conversation. Yeah. So my OBGYN had informed me in the past that boric acid is good to use once a month when your cycle has ended, but I just don't know how to feel about constantly using boric acid. Therefore, I haven't used it in a very long time. Of course, if you suffer from recurring yeast infections, you may want to try this method. I've always felt like other things can help prevent and stop recurrent vaginal infections, like eating less sugar, having a healthy diet, and also giving your girl down there a break from tight clothes and even panties. So since we're all mature adults and I know I can be transparent, right? I will say that I don't like to wear panties all of the time. My OBGYN, she once told me, don't wear your panties at night for bed and let your vagina breathe. And I definitely took that and ran with it. So I literally only wear cotton panties, boxers, yes, when I'm lounging around the house, or seamless panties or thongs if I have to wear panties with an outfit. For my thighs, I like to use this Thigh Rescue by Mega Babe to ease up the vibrations, girl, between my thighs. And as you can see, it goes on nice and smooth without leaving any white stains left behind.
Are you serious?
As you've seen throughout this whole entire video, I've also given my nails a break because, yeah, we want full hygiene care over here and it was time for a little break. If you're like me and sit your phone literally anywhere, this is a step that needs to be added. So I just take an alcohol wipe and clean my phone really good, just to know that everything is nice and clean, because we never know what's on our phone after we sit it down.
When you wanna come back, I lay you back on your back and do you just like that. That's the way that I grab. Your body knows me, yes, I'm still your best. I don't want your heart, baby, once before. I don't want you back, just wanna let you know. Say my name.
So Tide is the only detergent that I wash my underwear and bed sheets in, since it is fragrance free. So to be clear, I am not a pill type of girl, since I do have a bad memory. These are literally the only two pills that I take, which is a prebiotic and probiotic with cranberry, and also biotin, which is dissolvable in the strawberry flavor. Probiotics are good to take since it helps with maintaining the balance of your pH, and I loved the fact that it also has cranberry as well to help prevent any UTIs. I also take biotin to help promote hair growth and nails, and also have healthy skin. So I don't like to take pills in the morning, since I like to take pills after I've eaten, and I don't always eat right away in the morning. So it just works best for me to take them at night after I know I've eaten dinner with a full glass of water. I know this is so cliche, but water is the absolute main key to balancing that pH, y'all, and just having a great hygiene overall. That is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all.
So you let me go, but my love is more. Just wanna let you know, I don't want your heart, baby, once before. I don't want you back, just wanna let you know. Say my love is back, so you let me go, but my love is more. Just wanna let you know.